towards this kind of heinous and criminal act. How this big amount of money has been transferred, where this money has come from, who has utilized, how it has been utilized. This kind of factual matters should be disclosed out. All judicial cases of different courts pertaining to Babri Masjid demolition are to be consolidated and should be adjudicated in one court at the earliest. In this juncture, sir, before I conclude, I would like to recall leadership act how it should be, how he has respected the communal harmony and communal amity and the nationalism and patriotism. After the freedom, the country has been divided. After the formation of partition Pakistan, in Pakistan, the Muslim League leader at that time, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, has raised the voice in favor of Muslim minority community in India to protect their rights. At that time, the late Muslim League leader Qaid-e-Millat Muhammad Ismail Sahib has told Muhammad Ali Jinnah ji, you are in the foreign country. You are not the son of India. You are not the citizen of India. We are the citizens of India. We are the children of this country. We know how to protect the minority issues. We know how to look into the minority problems. You are in the foreign country. You should not speak about a minority community in India. If it is justifiable to talk about a minority issue, please think about the minority people, Hindus and Christians living in that country. You would please look into that minority in Pakistan. Don't speak about the minority Muslim community in India. We know, we have the courage how to face it in this motherland. This is the patriotism. This is the nationalism. This is the communal harmony. This is the communal amity the leadership has shown in this country. Our radical group leaders should learn this kind of lesson from this kind of act. In our Indian culture, no worship place of any religion is demolished for the creation of another worship place of some other religion. This kind of culture our Indian people are not having. India is a secular country. No religion is against any religion. No religion is giving any kind of immorality against the morality of any other religion. All religions are teaching moralities. We may be different in religion names, but as far as concept of moralities are concerned, we are all brothers, we are all sisters in India. I would like to conclude with one particular concept by leaving for your consideration. At the time of demolition of Babri Masjid, because of anger of certain group of people in Pakistan, few number of temples have been damaged. Immediately, Pakistan government has announced it will be taken care. We know very well, India is the secular country, but Pakistan is not like us. Even then, Pakistan government has taken the responsibility to renovate that damaged area in that temple. Upon the completion of that renovation, please listen. Upon the completion of the demolition, when Pakistan government has submitted all these things to the Hindu people community, our opposition leader Advaniji has gone and he has participated in opening of the renovated temples. Like that, this is the secular country. I am appealing in this August House.
Yes.
Let this demolished Babri Masjid be reconstructed in the same site by the people. If that people are led by our Advani ji, we are all ready to queue up behind him. That will be the historical achievement in this country. This kind of secularism, this kind of communal harmony, this kind of communal amity should be proved in this history of India. This will be really a new era for all our Indians. This will be proud of. This will be the proud of each and every Indian citizen among the world country, the country's nations. So by taking this opportunity, I request all our people, because of the religion, because of any other worship style, please don't try to differentiate the brotherlyhood of the people. All religions are teaching the morality. All religions are teaching each and everyone to behave like brothers and sisters. That kind of concept, that kind of principle may please be followed by all our members, irrespective of the state where we are from, irrespective of the political party what we belong to. Thank you very much for having given me an opportunity to...
Before the next speaker, 1 minute for Sanjay Nirupam for a personal explanation. Only 1 minute.
On this debate.
सभापति जी